Hello my fellow makers. If you're new to cosplay and you haven't worked with contact cement yet, I'm here to talk about it. I love that stuff, but when you're working with it, make sure you wear a filtered mask cartridge filter with charcoal filters to protect yourself from the vapor. If you don't have these, definitely work in a well-ventilated area. When applying the glue, apply to both surfaces you want to glue together and put it on nice and even. And the key to it is to let it dry before putting them together. Now before gluing, take your finger and touch the foam. If it's tacky, but not wet enough to come off on your finger, you're ready to go. Line them up, press it together, and then boom, it sticks. It's really strong. If it sometimes comes off immediately, it's either two things happen. You have too much glue or not enough glue, but it's definitely worth working with and getting used to. It's more of a trial error thing working with contact cement. The more you work with it, the better you get. I can't recommend this stuff enough. Be sure to follow and go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. See you there.